And here we go. Today we are at 449 Vermont, and this beautiful Victorian flat is actually gorgeous. 2 bedrooms, one big bathroom in a master bedroom. So you can see 4449 Vermont. Calling or email your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. Okay, let's see. Dining room. Doors that create a separation in between the living room and the dining room. So we see a decorative fireplace. So we move into what I call office space, or bedroom if you want to, or baby room. And we'll use it as an office. Hardwood floors, 19th century unit with original chandeliers. Then we have closet right here. Then we move into the kitchen that has a professional Thermador stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, kitchen 8, plenty of space where to accommodate your utensils, microwave. Then we go and see closet right here, and then a beautiful bathroom, so double sink, and then oversized bathtub. And then we move into the master right here and see walk-in closet. So you have plenty of space where to store stuff. So there's plenty of light in this gorgeous flat apartment located in Potrero Hill, 449 Vermont. We see the yard right there. So olive tree. Downstairs you see rosemary and lavender, and this gorgeous flat comes over to the market with a rental tag of $5,000. And once again, to see it, or what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. Thank you for your attention and have an amazing day.